Good morning or afternoon or evening. I guess it depends on when you're watching this. Welcome to day 5. It's pretty straightforward. I have 2 section summaries for you to work on. One on plate tectonics and one is a quick review of the mid-ocean ridge, just remembering it's a divergent boundary. But there are questions from it, so make sure you take a look at that. And then the other thing you're doing today is watching the Ring of Fire documentary. And again, that's through Edpuzzle. And I know some of you have gotten into Edpuzzle without any problem at all, and that's great. Thank you. Your scores go right into Schoology, so you can see it right then and there. I believe someone asked if they can do it again. I believe you can do it again. Worst case is if it absolutely won't let you do it through Schoology, you can always go through the link at the top of my page and go into the Edpuzzle Direct. That's a different grade book from the one that's linked to Schoology. So you could always do it there and then say, hey, Miss Ludvigson, go check out my score there. It's better, because I'm fairly certain through Edpuzzle itself you can do it again. For those of you who are having trouble with the link from Schoology to Edpuzzle, quite often that's happening if you're working between 8 in the morning and noon. Just there's so many people on, and they've had to restrict the flow of their bandwidth. So all those ancillary programs like adding on Edpuzzle, they're kind of slowing that down. Luckily, we're in the tier of schools because we've been using it for so long. They're giving us a little more oomph with our program, which is great compared to other schools who are not as vested as we are. But if you're having that trouble, then what I really need you to do is go to the top of my page, and here, this is the link. Pick your hour and it'll take you right to the class. And as long as you've ever logged in once to Edpuzzle, it will take you directly to my class and you're enrolled in that class and I can see your grades. If you've never been into Edpuzzle yet, it's probably going to ask you to register as a student, and you just log in with your Google account. So that's what I need you to do. Again, we're finishing up here, and I thought I'd give you a quick overview. We have a total of 9 days. So the 21st and 22nd will be our structural geology B test that you'll be taking for the first time, completely at home, and we'll see how this goes. But you've got until day 9 to get everything done and caught up. And a couple of you, I'm going to need to do some gentle reminders. I need you to start working on my stuff. If you're watching this, this is my plea. Otherwise, I'm going to be sending home some emails or doing some calls. So take the initiative and try and get it done on your own. And I hope you're doing well. I hope you're safe. I hope you're healthy. So far, we are here. Cross your fingers. It's all we can do is do our best and isolate. And I know it's not fun. And thank you for putting the time and the effort into my class. Again, as always, have a great day. Email with anything you've got. If you're having technical difficulties, please jump on Zoom. And so I can see what you're doing, because otherwise it's really hard for me to see your end, what the errors are. So that's always appreciated when I can see it. Bye.